thought I should say something about nailing the siding. So typically I like to nail it, like right here is the old nail. If I feel like there's room, I'd like to put it right here. But if there's not, or I feel like it's, looks like it maybe broke out too much, I'll move it up into here. But the further up you move it, you don't want to tighten it down as much. And I'll show you behind me, I got a little demo set up. Oh, now here's a place. It looks like there's a nail right there. So I could have put it maybe in here, although it looks like a crack right there. But I ended up putting it here, but I didn't nail it super hard. Now here we have a crack, the board cracked. So I took one below it and one above it, but this one I didn't hammer in quite as much. So placement, but this is what I really like to do, is keep it low towards the edge. Here I think the old nail is right here, so I put my nail in here. There was room enough. And this is why. So this type of siding, if I remember right, it's called Shiplap, but I'm not sure, don't quote me on that one. So this is the bottom, and then you're moving up the wall. So you see where this one overlaps here, then you have space. So if you put a nail in here and you drive it down really hard, you'll crack this board here because it can, there's airspace in there. But if you're nailing in here, you're good, even up into here. These have about an inch lap, but I've seen where it's less. Here's 3/4 of an inch here. So keep an eye on if you're giving a new set of nails to your siding. Keep that in mind. And if you need to, in a case like this, where you have definitely a strong crack, sometimes I will put one right in the crack so the head is holding both sides, but often I'll go on each side of it, of the crack. So just a couple pointers on your nailing. And again, I really like the blunt-ended nails with ridges, and they're galvanized and they're thin, but it's still very strong. And they are siding nails. They even say right on the box, no split siding nails, wood siding. Okay, that's all I had to say on that.